Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can train your own model with OpenArt. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course sign into your OpenArt account, and once you've signed in, you will just have to look for navigate to you will just have to go to the train model section. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on the layout of your screen, so you just gotta look for it. So yeah. So once you see it, click more so that you will be able to see. So once you see models, you will just have to click it, and then you will basically just wait for it to load. And now that you see train your own model, you will just have to click the plus sign icon. And now that you're here, you will just have to upload a data set of images representing your style if it's visible for you. So yeah, you will just have to again upload the images, and then after that you will just have to set the training parameters like the resolution, and then of course name your model, describe the style and all that stuffs. And yeah, that's basically just it. And then you will just have to start the training process and wait for the completion. And then of course you do have to test your model by generating the sample images and evaluating the results. And you could also refine and restrain if necessary for better accuracy. And yeah, that's basically just how easy it is, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.